morning, how are you? It's so nice to meet you here today. Good morning, everyone. Matthews is here again. Today we are going to go through our digraph sounds. We are going to go through our digraph sounds and relate them with our words. Good. Remember, with our jolly phonics letter sounds, it goes with a story, a song, and also a formation and an action. But with the formation, every school and how they go about their formation. Good. So join me on the board. A, O, I, ng, E, O. Good. And with this digraph sounds, this U is short and this one is the longer U. So U. The short one, example of it is book. We can't say book, but book. And with this one, zoo. We can't say zoo. Zoo. Good. The next one is ch. And this one is this one sounds silent. This one is silent and this one is louder. And that. The. Good. Qua. Ow. Oi. You. Good. But today we are going to focus on A. So this is A with its alternative vowel spelling. A and with its alternative vowel spelling. Good. When you want to spell rain, you can't say rain. No. You say rain. Rain. Good. Train. 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 Good. We have chain. When you come here, you realize our k and h give us ch. So we have ch. Chain. Chain. Good. And its alternative, aj, also sound the same. A. So we have a, play. A, tray. And then we have a, Sundays. A, Sunday. So this is A and this is its alternatives. And then they all sound A. Good. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Understood it. And the next time we'll go over it. But the next time we'll also deal with O. I also want you to know that with the digraph words, we have some with alternative, some without alternative. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Stay blessed.